Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance like a pro full guide. Start by creating your account and verifying your identity to unlock essential limits. Secure the account with two-factor authentication and a strong password to protect funds. Fund your wallet with a small amount first to become comfortable. Explore the basic buy and sell flow and learn how to read order books before placing larger trades. Get comfortable with key order types and how they affect execution and fees on Binance. Practice with small trades so you can see fills, slippage, and fee impacts without risking much capital. Read the order book to spot buy and sell walls and use limit orders to control price. Track fees and compare maker versus taker costs when planning strategy to keep expenses manageable and predictable. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sauces secure during busy days, which pairs nicely with trading on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Manage risk by sizing positions and placing stop losses that reflect your comfort level. Leverage Binance tools like recurring buys and convert for passive strategies, and use charts for technical clues. Keep security tight with withdrawal whitelists and never share API keys or credentials. Periodically review active orders and connected apps to avoid surprises and maintain a tidy, secure trading environment that supports consistent decision-making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.